Hey guys, so I got a 2019 Honda HR-V and I just replaced the grill on this about a week ago. And then my wife said she started driving the vehicle today. It's really cloudy today. You can see out here it looks really cloudy. And she said that the vehicle, one of the warning systems turned on. Let's see what she's talking about. So it's basically showing that little light up here. The brake system thing is on. And when you first turn it on, it does show a warning over here. Some driver assist systems cannot operate. It says that the radar is obstructed. Now, from what I could recall, and I'll show a picture of it, I think I still have a picture of it. The radar on this specific vehicle sits somewhere behind here. It's like a big black box, and I'll show you a picture of it right now. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take this cover off and see if I can get in there and clean it. So I'm just gonna take off these push pins. Get them off, they should just lift up. I'll go that way a little bit. Get it out of here. I'll show you right now where it's at. So the box is right here. So it's saying that it's somehow obstructed right here. I don't know if it's just dirty. So I'm just gonna try to wipe it. Luckily, you don't have to pull the whole bumper off. I don't know what else could be obstructing it. I mean, the regular grill like the other one. And then also what I was told is if anything is obstructing here, this is the camera, the other one's the radar. Which I don't think it is, but it looked dirty there. They say sometimes if it's really super cloudy, this happens. If you drive it for a little bit, it usually goes away, but I already cleaned that and that, so we'll go ahead and try to start it up, see what it does. Now, obviously in here, I can't get to the camera to clean the lens because all this is covered up. So let's go ahead and start it and see if it does anything. No, it's still the same thing. Okay guys, so I pulled the cover off and then basically you just kind of pull it this way and pull it this way. It's got a little tab right there and a little tab right here. Now this camera hooks on from right here into this little slot here. So all you do right here is you kind of push this way. The camera's gonna kind of come down like that and then you're gonna unhook it and bring it this way. Now, you could clean a little bit of the lens here, but I'm noticing right here, it is super dirty inside where the camera goes. So let me get a little bit of window cleaner because I just tried to clean it with my towel and it's kind of like a heavy grime. So that's probably what's going on because it can't see, but give me 1 second. it was all foggy, big time in there. Hopefully that'll do it. I'm just gonna clean the front of this lens right here, right there. Man. Let's go and hook it back on there. It's gonna hook on like that, and it should just go up and snap into place. Now, before I put this cover back on, I'm just gonna go ahead and try it out. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so I did all that. I cleaned the camera, I disconnected the battery, and then I started driving it. I probably got less than a mile away from my house and all the lights shut off. So more than likely it has to do with the cloud cover. Now this was really dirty behind the camera on the glass, right behind there. I'm actually driving right now. But yeah, so I did all that stuff to it. Maybe you could just drive it without having to unplug anything. I didn't unplug the camera. You don't want to unplug the camera because some of these cameras are calibrated. I just basically brought it down and I was able to clean up there behind the lens. So hopefully, you know, first thing you do is go under the hood, you know, maybe pull that cover, clean there. That's the main issue, because it's saying that the radar was dirty. It didn't say anything about the camera lens, but the camera lens was really, the glass part in front of the camera lens was really dirty. So I cleaned that. I feel much better that that was clean. And then like I said, I started driving. I turned it on a couple times. The light stayed on. But then when I started driving, as soon as I got down my hill, maybe about a little less than a mile away, I was ready to grab my phone just in case anything happened, and I looked up and everything shut off. All the lights turned off, so they didn't turn back on. So we're good to go. Hopefully this will help you guys out. You can try a couple different things. Maybe it's one, maybe it's the other. Like I said, I didn't drive it right after I cleaned the radar up front, so I cleaned the camera up there on top and then put it all back together. I disconnected the battery. I had to clean my terminals anyways. And then I went back to just, you know, starting it up. And then only issue is that, you know, I had to wait for the navigation to kind of all come back together, which was like 10 minutes. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.